Good morning mga kaibigan, ito po yung laman ng Instagram ni Maymay, ang post ni Miss Love Kapulong kung saan eto, kitang-kita kung sino-sino ang mga kasama ni Maymay sa kanyang Christmas party. Pero yes, nag-post din po si Maymay ng ganito, inspirational thoughts daw po ito and a message para sa ating lahat. Just like ang sabi dito sa message ay party. Pero yes, nag-post din po si Maymay ng ganito, inspirational thoughts daw po ito and a message pa po ang ipinost ni Maymay Entrata kagabi sa kanyang Instagram post mga kaibigan. As of today, masyadong tahimik ang kampo ni Marydale Maymay Entrata. Di natin alam kung ano ang ginagawa and kung nasaan po ito after ng Christmas party ng glam team niya. If umpisa na ba itong mag-impake para makapagbiyahe papunta ng Japan, kasi ngayon po ay December 22nd na po, so 3 days to go ay magpapasko na. So probably ay naghahanda na ang ating dalaga para sa kanyang biyahe papuntang Japan. Ang sabi dito ni Rose G, pride of being a Maymay fan, di namin kailangan isingit ang lodi namin o mang-grab ng credits para ma-validate siya dahil lang hindi niya mabigyan ng validation ng sarili niya. Di niya kailangan yon, di niya kailangan magsalita. Kahit kami, people speak for her and speak about her in double. Yan ang sabi ni Rosie G mga kaibigan. So yeah, yan po ang pinaka-latest. Ang sabi dito, yes, mayaman na si Maymay. Pero di naman kami mema na siya ang nagpa-party kasi sila mismo ang nag-post ng Team Maymay Christmas Party. Ang desperate nyo lang to imply na gumastos loading nyo kahit di kasali para lang ma-justify yaman at silbi niya. Oh, sino pang inaway nila dito? I think I know kung sino po ang inaaway. Pero yes, hindi na natin dapat alamin yon. Ang alam natin ay nag-throw ng party si Maymay sa kanyang glam team as parang nakaugalian na niya bago pa siya pupunta ng Japan to be with her mother. Ayan. So yes, yan po ang latest na usapan sa social media. And yan po ang pinagkakagaluhan ngayon sa social media about Marydale Maymay Entrata. We know na yung talagang fan war ay talagang hindi po talaga natatapos yan at hindi matatapos. Kasi everyday habang nagsasucceed ang ibang tao ay marami na namang gustong i-drag yung nag-succeed down, pabalik baba sa kung saan siya galing. So that is a normal already mga kaibigan. Kaya no wonder kaliwat kanan pa rin ang bashing at kaliwat kanan pa rin ang pag-question about success at about sa mga ginagawa ni Maymay Entrata sa buhay niya. Pero sabi nga kagabi sa simbang gabi, kasi pumunta tayo ng simbang gabi sa Dubai, ay celebrate Christmas na kasama ang Panginoon. Kasi ilang taon na daw na nagse-celebrate tayo ng Christmas, nagbibigayan ng regalo sa isa't isa, at nagkakantahan pa, nag-iinuman, at bibigay ng regalo, pero nakaligtaan nating imbitahan ng Panginoon sa puso natin para makipag-celebrate sa Kapaskuhan. It's His birthday daw. Pero sabi ni Father, bakit in every Christmas busy tayo na maghanda, makipagsaya sa mga kapamilya at mga kaibigan natin, pero nakalimutan natin ang poon na imbitahan sa mga puso natin at nakaligtaan natin siyang bigyan ng regalo, diba? Sa kanyang kapanganakan. So yes, sana this year stop to fan war and let's start spreading love. Kasi yan po ang gusto ng Panginoon. Pwedeng gawin nating regalo sa Kanya at regalo na rin natin sa ating mga sarili para magkaroon tayo ng peace of mind habang sinaselebrate natin ang kapanganakan ng Panginoon. Ayan, Merry Christmas everyone. Merry Christmas, Maymay. Kung saan ka mga ngayon, I saw some videos of your games sa
Young Malaki Panga Ingalangad Mo.
Lapit na lang yung sa gusto.
videos of your games sa Christmas party mo, and nakita natin masaya sila and talagang nag-spend ka ng money para sa mga pa-premyo mo sa mga palaro nyo. And yeah, nakita rin natin yung mga naka-impake na mga goods ready para i-distribute, and I don't know why this year ay talagang hindi mo sinishare kung kanino mo binigay ang mga regalo mo. Siguro you are doing that right now kasi nga tahimik ka. So let's wait and see kung may lalabas ba ng mga photos or videos about that. Yes, for now, yan po ang ating update kay Maymay Entrata as of Edward John Barber. As of Edward John Barber, dumating na po sa Pilipinas yung kapatid niya na si Laura. So yes, magsa-celebrate si Edward ng Kapaskuhan kasama ang kanyang kapatid na si Laura. Nasa Laguna na po ito. Ito na po. So yes, this year mag-spend po ng Christmas si Laura and Edward and Mami Cathy sa Pilipinas. You don't know kung darating din ba si Daddy Kevin for this year's Christmas celebration. So yes, yan muna po ang ating update on Maymay Entrata, Edward John Barber and Laura. Samantala, ito naman ang laman ng Insta ni Patricia, or not Insta but TikTok, kasi nga po naging rock and roll na po ang kantang All I Want for Christmas Is You. Narito po Maymay Entrata and Patricia one more time sa kanilang rock and roll numbers sa kanilang party.
Young Malaki Bigay Nipo.
Sa dami ng collections ko ng photos ni Mary de Maymay Entrata, siya tuloy ang naging yearly review ko sa aking photo gallery. Nako, Mary Dale, tingnan mo naman, ikaw imbis ang mga photos ko ang lilitaw, photos mo ang lumilitaw. But then anyways, I'm happy and no regrets about it. Let's go and watch my year-end photo review.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. Hellcat.